Yesterday, the alliance that we had made with the AIDFA, it is a first beginning. It is an attempt to forge an alliance with all those forces who have faith in democracy, secularism, and upliftment of the common man who has faith in democracy. Then we want to preserve our constitution, which provide our basic rights, privilege of freedom of press, or freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom even to dissent. And in fact, I'm happy that beginning that we have started yielded good result. Response has been encouraging. And this is the first our step. We want to expand our alliance with other groups also. Those belong to different political party, CPI, CPM, even certain group of AGP. Then even ASU also, then Kisar Murti Sangram Parisar. So we want to have an alliance with everybody. We want to have Mahagathbandhan so that we can defeat these communal forces, these divisive forces. And now the danger for the country is, yes, this corona virus is definitely creating a great problem for us. The disease has created what you call havoc in the countries. But beside also that communal is a virus which is more dangerous than coronavirus, which is creating a hatred, leading to even conflict, even killing of people also, which is much more dangerous, which we have to be checked. And to check, all the right-minded people having faith in secularism and democracy has to join together. So we have decided to go for a larger alliance, and particularly in the coming assembly election 2020-21. So though BJP has been accusing us having an alliance with the AIDF, which they termed as a communal party. The same, the BJP party had an alliance. They put up a common candidate twice much before us. Once Jayanta Barua, another Haider Hussain. And even today also, they are having an alliance in the panchayat in 2-3 districts also, Nagaon, Ujai, and the Mangaldoy. So, since they are having the alliances already, earlier also, you see they put up a candidates, they don't have a moral right to criticize. And criticize and term as a communal party. This BJP is much more communal, and particularly Hemanta Biswa Sarma is a rabid communalist. He is a fanatical communalism who is creating a hatred between our communities. Besides also, once he himself was a fanatical Muslim fundamentalist. Though he was a Hindu, he criticized the Prime Minister of India that in Gujarat, that water pipe, in the pipes water doesn't flow, only the blood of the Muslims flows. That was his. And today, this same man has become a fanatical Hindu. So he is an extreme man. Nobody knows where he stands. He is not a balanced man. So this rabid communalism we have to be stopped. That's why I say that virus, that communal virus, which is more dangerous than coronavirus, that has to be checked. And for that, you see, we have decided to have an alliance with all those forces.